Hey guys, this is Darko. Welcome to this video in which I will talk about sound. Sound options available on Sharp Android TVs for the European market. This in front of us is BL5 series, and Sharp also released BL3 and BL2 series, but they are all the same. On all three series, Sharp collaborated with Harman Kardon to bring 2.1 audio system, and here in this video I will open menus and show you which options are available. So I will press menu button on the remote, and here in this menu you see speakers option. Here you can choose between built-in speakers or external audio system. This TV supports ARC connection via HDMI output, so this is exactly what I'm using right now. So if I increase the volume, so what you're hearing right now are built-in speakers, and now I will switch to external audio system. So this is then on AV receiver and two KEF speakers. It's apparent how soundstage is much wider and sound is fuller, so in so many aspects it's so much better and nicer to listen to. Okay, so you have this option clearly. Let me go back to built-in speakers and get back to this menu. So that's all. In this menu I need to go to settings and then device preferences and here to sound option. And first option we have is sound style. By default you will get user option, and I listened to all these presets, and for me music has the best tonal balance and I prefer it very much. So I recommend that you play a little bit with these presets and find the one you prefer the most. You have balance, you have surround sound simulation, which you can also try, and equalizer detail. Here you have different frequencies and you can fine-tune it, and as opposed to picture presets where you can only change user preset, with sound you can change whichever sound style you want. So for example here, if I want to increase 500 Hz frequency, you see I am still in music preset. Anyway, this is good as you can have different versions for different content you're watching, so that's nice. Next we have speakers option. Here you have same option like in main menu, so TV speakers or external speakers. Next we have digital output, where you have different options how to output audio. Auto option should do it. Basically I was able to send multi-channel audio to my receiver and get 5.1 sound, so definitely this option is also available. This is a delay. If you want to sync picture and sound, you can use this option here. Auto volume control, I think this will be handy if you're watching digital TV channels and maybe some have different sound levels, so you can balance the sound with this option. In case of down mixing, you can choose stereo or surround. And this is DTS, digital range compression, if you want to use. And same goes for DTS virtual X. Here you also have some options. I wasn't able to find what this TBHDX means, and this limiter should be some kind of digital compression. If for some reason you want to reset everything to default, you have also this control right here. Actually right now you see what happened. So if I go to the same menu, I no longer have any option to adjust here. Everything is grayed out except some controls. So if that happens, you can reset to default everything, and basically you will be back to all options. So some bug in software, something is not working properly, as I noticed also in picture options, but that's the situation we have. You can also use Bluetooth connectivity, for example, to connect wireless headphones. You need to go to remotes and accessories, and then here add accessory. I connected one headphones, the one you see on the left here, and they were working properly, sound was in sync with picture, and basically everything was working as it should. So that's all for this video, thanks for watching. If you have some questions regarding connectivity to Sharp Android TVs, just let me know in the comment section, I'll be happy to support you. Big thanks to company Ronis for providing me this review sample, and thanks all of you for watching, and please stay safe. Till next video, goodbye.